everyone, welcome back to Get About Life TV. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of Yoruba myths and legends. Yoruba mythology isn't just about entertainment, it's a sacred narrative that explains the origin of the universe, the nature of the divine, and how we as humans can align ourselves with cosmic forces. These stories are rich with symbolism, meaning, and lessons for personal growth. Let's start with the creation story. In Yoruba belief, Olodumare, the supreme god, sent the divine energy to create the world. One popular myth tells of Obatala, the Orisha of purity, who descended from the heavens to shape everything with a handful of sand. This myth reminds us that wisdom and purity are foundational to creating a balanced life and world. Each Orisha has his own stories, teaching us virtues and lessons. For example, Shango, the Orisha of thunder and fire, is known for his strength, justice, and leadership. Story has it that Shango later came to earth and became a king, embodying power and righteousness. His story encourages us to stand firm in our truth and to face challenges with courage. Similarly, Yemoja is associated with the ocean and nurturing. Our mind highlights the importance of compassion, motherhood, and emotional strength. Many Yoruba myths carry lessons about morality, humility, patience, and resilience. For example, the story of Oishu, the messenger Orisha, teaches us about the importance of communication and adaptability. Eshu is playful, yet his cunning nature reminds us that life is multidimensional and sometimes we need to see things from different perspectives. So why are these myths still relevant? They serve as spiritual guides, offering moral compass points and insight into the human condition. They teach us how to navigate life's challenges, honor our ancestors, and stay connected to divine wisdom. By understanding these stories, we deepen our connection to Yoruba spirituality and unlock powerful lessons for personal growth. I encourage you to explore this myth further by watching series of our videos we have made on them. Read, meditate, or reflect on their meanings in your life. Thank you for joining me on this journey into Yoruba myths. If you found value in this video, please like, share, and subscribe to Get Better Life TV for more inspiring spiritual content like this. Remember, these stories are not just ancient tales. They are living wisdom that can transform your life. Thank you and bye for now.